Hey, what's up guys? Want to make a video for you today, sharing with you a niche that I saw is starting to trend. This niche is in the teacher niche, so since it's back to school month, that is probably why this niche is starting to trend. And I thought this niche or this phrase was kind of similar to a design that became very popular during the pandemic, or at least when the vaccine came out. I don't know if you guys remember, there was a design that was like vaccinated, caffeinated, educated, and this one kind of reminds me of it. The niche or the phrase is believer, motivator, innovator, educator. So this is basically for teachers, someone that's an educator, and you're going to see that there is only 485 results, so under 500, so that's a good start. We're going to see a lot of these are fairly new, so July 12th, July 13th, July 14th, May 30th, so all, well, these first three at least all within a month or so, and they're already selling. This one's at 105 BSR at 16 bucks, so that's a really good BSR. Same with this one as well. So you can see that this phrase is selling well. And if we look at test to see if it's been trademarked, you see believer, motivated, innovator, educator, hit and enter. We're going to see that nothing pops up, so that's good. And when we look at the some of the other POD sites to see the competition, we're going to see that there's only 266 results. That's like nothing. You can see here, you can get a kind of an idea. Redbubble, this phrase is actually trending right now. So if you type in believer, motivator, innovator, educator, you're going to see that there's a little arrow right there. That means that it's trending. And then if we go to, actually, let me go back to see how much competition there was. Yeah, only 313 results. All right, stickers will probably do very well. Text stickers tend to do very well. Then we go back to TeePublic, and let me just type it in. I'm sure it's also going to be very low in competition. And we will see that there's only one page. Okay, so this could do really well on TeePublic as well. And the way that I would kind of go after this niche, because if you go back to Amazon, you're going to see that everybody is basically doing the same thing. They're just doing the curvy text with the retro colors. All right, pretty much all, like almost 500 of these designs were pretty much the same. So I would not do that. I would try and be different. When everyone's zigging, you want to zag. All right, because it's just gonna, if you just put up another one of these niches that's just like this, you're not really gonna be offering the market anything different. So what I would do is I would use this phrase on some designs that we know also sell very well. So like, for example, you could do something like on the sunflower. So you could do like half a sunflower. That sells very well, especially in the school niche. So you can do half the sunflower, and then you can use the phrase. Another option would be to maybe use the messy bun, right? That also does very well. This design type has proven itself over the years on merch. And another option would be to obviously use the rainbow. So you can do the text around or at the bottom. But these boho rainbows have also proven themselves over the years. Another option, like maybe instead of focusing on just the female educators, you can try and focus on the male educators, and you can just do like the like a bold font like this with retro text or retro color text. Right? So that could be a good option for for male educators, men teachers. And you can go to Vexels right here, and you can just search for like rainbow, and you'll get a bunch of boho rainbows. You can search for like sunflower. You can search for messy bun, things like that. It's a great place to find graphics, clip art, things like that. I have an affiliate link in the description. So if you're interested, you can click on that. But that is the niche. It is believer, motivator, innovator, educator. Get creative with his designs. Try and do something different, like I was showing you with the sunflower, the messy bun, the boho rainbow. Upload it on all products, on all platforms, and hopefully you can get some sales. So that's the video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Consider subscribing if you like this kind of content, and there'll be a video up here of my latest video. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.